The Ace Slipstream Elite is a bold reimagining of what cycling can be, merging cutting-edge aerodynamics with futuristic design to deliver an experience that's as efficient as it is exhilarating. Designed for both casual riders and competitive cyclists, this revolutionary bike prioritizes performance without compromising comfort. At the heart of the Slipstream Elite's innovation is its enclosed pod structure, a sleek aerodynamic shell that surrounds the rider. This pod doesn't just look space-age, it serves a critical function by reducing wind resistance, one of the biggest obstacles to efficient cycling. With less drag to fight against, riders can maintain higher speeds with less effort, conserving energy while enjoying a smoother ride. This enclosed design also offers added protection from the elements. Whether you're cycling through rain, wind, or chilly weather, the Ace Slipstream Elite keeps the rider shielded, improving overall riding conditions and making year-round cycling more practical. It's a step toward urban cycling with comfort and style, blending the best aspects of bicycles and light personal vehicles. Built from lightweight, durable materials, the frame is engineered for speed, while its streamlined body ensures every bit of pedaling power is translated into motion. The cockpit-style seating enhances rider posture, and the interior is designed with ergonomics in mind to minimize fatigue on longer journeys. This isn't just a new type of bike, it's a cycling evolution. Whether you're commuting through the city, riding for fitness, or just enjoying a cruise through the countryside, the Slipstream Elite transforms each journey into a futuristic, high-performance experience. Its innovation on wheels, opening new possibilities for eco-friendly, fast, and enjoyable travel. The Bellwether VTOL is reshaping the future of urban mobility with its elegant and innovative approach to personal air travel. As an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, it removes the need for traditional runways and opens the door for seamless transportation in densely populated urban areas. What makes the Bellwether VTOL stand out is its futuristic design and compact form factor, making it perfectly suited for city environments. It resembles more of a flying car than a typical drone or airplane, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic shape and a fully enclosed cabin for comfort and safety. Its design is inspired by high-end sports cars, combining style with cutting-edge aerospace engineering. The aircraft uses vertical lift rotors concealed within its body, giving it a clean silhouette while still providing the necessary thrust for vertical takeoffs and landings. This makes it well suited for rooftop pads, small helipads, or other tight urban spaces, eliminating the need for large airports or airstrips. Bellwether's vision isn't just about flying, it's about integrating air mobility into daily life. The eVTOL is aimed at individuals and private owners rather than large fleets or ride-sharing platforms. This means that one day, instead of driving to work, you might fly directly from your home's rooftop to your office building. In terms of performance, the Bellwether eVTOL is still in development and testing phases, but the prototype suggests it will be fully electric, low noise, and eco-friendly, crucial traits for minimizing environmental impact in crowded cities. It's being designed for short to medium range flights, ideal for commuting, urgent travel, or simply skipping traffic. The Bellwether eVTOL represents a bold step toward making personal flying vehicles a common reality. It's not just a technical achievement, it's a lifestyle innovation that could redefine how we move through our cities in the coming decades. The DJI Avata 2 is a game changer in the world of FPV. First-person view drones built for thrill seekers, content creators, and anyone fascinated by the idea of flying like a bird. This compact, powerful drone takes immersive flight to the next level, blending high-speed agility with high-definition visuals and intuitive control systems that make the skies more accessible than ever before. At the heart of the Avata 2 is a 1.3-inch image sensor capable of capturing crisp, wide-angle 4K video. Whether you're weaving through tight spaces or diving from great heights, this drone ensures your footage stays vivid, cinematic, and incredibly smooth. It's not just built to fly, it's built to tell stories from breathtaking perspectives. Designed for both seasoned pilots and curious beginners, the Avata 2 offers easy-to-master acrobatic flight controls and intuitive motion navigation. With DJI's motion controller, you literally guide the drone by moving your hand, mimicking natural flight gestures. This creates an instinctive, fluid flying experience that feels less like piloting and more like soaring. Safety is also a priority. The Avata 2 includes built-in propeller guards, so bumping into walls or trees won't mean a crash landing. Features like turtle mode allow the drone to flip itself upright if it lands upside down, helping you recover from missteps with ease. These enhancements make the drone not only fun to fly, but forgiving, giving beginners the confidence to experiment and learn. To fully unlock the Avata 2's immersive flight capabilities, you'll need DJI goggles and a compatible remote, which allow you to experience the action from the drone's point of view in real time. Flying with FPV goggles puts you right in the pilot's seat, turning every dive, twist, and roll into a heart-pounding adventure. Whether you're filming action sports, exploring scenic landscapes, or just enjoying the sensation of flight, the DJI Avata 2 offers a powerful combination of speed, stability, and simplicity. It's not just a drone, it's an invitation to explore the world from a whole new angle. The Stratosfera Volatile isn't just another flying vehicle concept. It's a bold reimagination of what personal air travel could and should be. In an era where vertical mobility is reshaping the way we think about transportation, this aircraft dares to go beyond mere utility and embrace artful innovation and emotional design. At the heart of its concept is the ring wing architecture, a striking circular wing structure that isn't just visually futuristic, but aerodynamically revolutionary. This unique design is crafted to enhance both lift and in-flight stability, redefining how vertical flight transitions into horizontal cruise. It challenges the norms of conventional aircraft by blending form and function into a seamless aerodynamic experience. Inside, passengers are cocooned in a sleek, minimalistic cabin pod, a space designed for silence, comfort, and intuitive connection to flight. The propulsion system is hybrid electric, ensuring clean, efficient performance without sacrificing the kind of power needed for vertical takeoff and jet-like cruising speeds. While detailed specs remain under wraps, its focus is crystal clear: to marry sustainability with sophistication and performance with personality. The Stratosfera Volatile isn't meant to simply transport, it's designed to inspire. It signals a future where flying becomes personal, quiet, and accessible, blurring the lines between sci-fi dreams and real-world urban flight. More than just a concept, it represents a philosophy of movement that pushes the boundaries of engineering so that one day, taking to the sky will feel as effortless as starting your car.
The Mori Smart aircraft is a cutting-edge product of South Africa's aerospace innovation, embodying a unique blend of intelligence, adaptability, and precision. Developed through a strategic partnership between Paramount Group and Airbus, the MWARI is a two-seat light attack and reconnaissance aircraft specifically engineered to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare, particularly in asymmetric conflict zones, border security, and surveillance-heavy operations. Designed with aerodynamic agility and low operational footprint in mind, the MWARI is a multi-mission platform that supports both manned and unmanned flight modes. This hybrid capability sets it apart from traditional aircraft in its class, allowing operators to carry out high-risk missions without endangering pilots or to directly engage targets when human decision-making is critical. One of its standout features is its modular mission bay, which can be reconfigured in a matter of hours. Whether the task is ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, target designation, close air support, or border patrol, the MWARI can carry a wide variety of payloads, from electro-optical and infrared sensors to laser designators, guided bombs, and air-to-ground missiles. This modularity enables militaries to adapt quickly to changing mission profiles with minimal logistical overhead. Technologically, the aircraft integrates advanced avionics, digital cockpit systems, and real-time data sharing networks, which make it capable of seamlessly communicating with ground forces, drones, and other aircraft in the operational theater. This integrated battlefield awareness significantly enhances coordination, threat detection, and target engagement speed. In terms of endurance and efficiency, Memory is optimized for long loiter times at low speeds, making it ideal for persistent surveillance and reconnaissance. Despite its sophisticated systems and combat-ready profile, it remains cost-effective, requiring significantly lower maintenance and fuel expenditure than traditional fixed-wing aircraft or attack helicopters. Ultimately, the MWARI Smart represents a next-generation approach to aerial warfare, where speed, adaptability, data superiority, and surgical strike capability are more decisive than brute force. It's a platform built for smart conflict engagement, especially in regions where flexibility, rapid deployment, and precise intelligence make all the difference.
Worldview Enterprises is preparing to take space tourism to a new frontier with its innovative Explorer capsule, a balloon-powered spacecraft designed to deliver a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Rather than using rockets, this system relies on a helium-filled stratospheric balloon to gently lift the capsule to an altitude of nearly 100,000 feet, high enough to see the curvature of the Earth and the vast darkness of space stretching endlessly beyond. The ascent is smooth and silent, offering travelers an awe-inspiring, contemplative journey rather than a high-speed thrill ride. The Explorer capsule itself is built with luxury and comfort in mind, accommodating 8 passengers and 2 crew members in a climate-controlled, pressurized cabin. It features panoramic windows for unobstructed views, fully reclining seats, and even a minibar to ensure travelers can enjoy the spectacle of Earth from the edge of space in total relaxation. But the journey is more than just the flight. It's a 5-day, curated experience. Each trip includes pre-flight excursions to world-renowned locations such as the Grand Canyon, the Great Wall of China, and the Serengeti, enriching the adventure with terrestrial wonders before heading skyward. Priced at $50,000 per seat, the Explorer experience is not only considerably more affordable than rocket-based space flights, but also more environmentally friendly and accessible to a broader range of travelers. With over 1,000 reservations already made, demand is strong and growing. Worldview's mission is to make space travel not only a technological achievement, but a deeply personal and emotional experience that redefines how we see our planet and ourselves. As the commercial space race accelerates, the Explorer capsule is carving out a unique and meaningful niche in the realm. The Boeing 777X represents a groundbreaking step forward in commercial aviation, and its progress has reached a major milestone with the GE9X engines now officially rolling off the production line at GE Aerospace. These engines are built exclusively for the Boeing 777-9, which is set to become the largest twin-engine passenger aircraft in the world. What sets the GE9X apart is not just its sheer size, with a fan diameter of 134 inches, but also its impressive performance, having already earned a Guinness World Record for generating a staggering 134,000 pounds of thrust. This is a feat that cements its position at the forefront of aviation technology. Beyond raw power, the GE9X is a marvel of engineering precision and innovation. It incorporates ceramic matrix composites, carbon fiber fan blades, and even 3D printed components to enhance its performance and durability. This blend of advanced materials contributes to a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor, the GE90, making it one of the most environmentally friendly engines of its class. These engines are now being shipped to Boeing for integration into the 777X airframes, bringing the aircraft one step closer to its commercial debut. With an expected entry into service by 2026, the 777X promises to redefine long-haul travel, offering airlines a powerful, fuel-efficient solution capable of covering immense distances with greater passenger comfort and operational savings. Major global carriers, including Qatar Airways, have already placed large orders, underscoring industry confidence in this next-generation aircraft. As commercial aviation continues to evolve, the Boeing 777X and its GE9X engines stand as testaments to how far aerospace technology has come and what lies ahead for the future of air travel.
ZG-1 is the first-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Xerox, marking a major step forward in urban air mobility. This innovative two-passenger air taxi is currently piloted but is expected to operate autonomously in the future, paving the way for safer and more efficient transportation in congested cities. The aircraft is equipped with 6 electric motors and 6 propellers, all integrated into a distinctive circular, web-like strut structure mounted above its globe-shaped passenger cabin. Designed for simplicity and versatility, ZG-1 has a compact size and an empty weight of just 650 kilograms, or around 1,433 pounds. Its lightweight, combined with its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, allows it to operate in confined spaces. It can easily land on rooftops, grassy fields, or even standard parking lots, making it ideal for dense urban environments where traditional transportation options are limited. The aircraft uses fixed skid landing gear rather than wheels, which simplifies its design and enhances both reliability and cost efficiency. This choice reduces the overall maintenance and manufacturing costs, while also helping to keep the aircraft lightweight. As the aviation industry pushes toward greener and more accessible mobility solutions, ZG-1 represents a pioneering vision for future air travel, quiet, clean, and capable of reaching places that conventional vehicles cannot.